Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. Let me quickly enter the password. If you do not have one, then you will be able to add it right now after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add the Google account in the specific device. So now all we have to do is to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on My Apps and Games. Then let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which can be updated. So basically just find the apps which you would like to update. For example, in my case, Chrome, Gemini and Lens, and then tap on this update icon. Of course, you can mark all of those apps. And now our device will simply download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.